Taking a look at Solana, we can see that Solana is attempting to form a low near the previous sell-off in June of this year. If we turn our attention to the macro chart, you can see that Solana has essentially been bouncing off of the same price range for over a year. We're actually coming up on 2 years of the same price for Solana. Now, one would argue that this is just macro consolidation before another large rally to the upside. This is only true if Bitcoin remains inside of a bull market at this point, which has broken many of the bull market supports. That would suggest that if Bitcoin does actually continue lower into a bear market, then this is actually a 1-year neckline for a massive head and shoulders, which you can see there's a shoulder here, a head here, and another shoulder here, which again would suggest that if Bitcoin enters a bear market, there's a very high probability that the price of Solana returns back to where most of this price action took place, between 40 and 30, 50 and $30. Now, if we do zoom out and we take a macro fib from the absolute low to the peak, we can see that we're bouncing right off of the 236 retracement at $127. Also, if you pull your fib to the next low here, you can see we've broken the 236. And if you move it down to this final wick here, you can see the 382 at $100 is the exact neckline that we just referred to, which would suggest that at any time, Solana breaking below $100 would confirm that this is indeed a head and shoulders, and a very large move down will take place to around $50, in my opinion. The way to avoid $50 is to remain over $100 and potentially see Bitcoin reverse higher. But until then, the price will continue to consolidate until Bitcoin makes its decision, in my opinion.